We'll just mash it up. Two eggs, which was kept at room temperature. Half a cup of cooking oil. 3/4 cup of caster sugar. Vanilla essence, about 2 teaspoons. This makes it our wet ingredients. Let's give it a good mix and bring it to a very smooth batter. For our dry ingredients, I'm adding about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is sifted flour. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Let's bring it all together and give it a good mix. Do not overmix the batter. I'm finally adding some chopped walnuts and a little bit of chocolate chips. I've just dusted it with some light flour to add to the batter.